What's up, channel? This is my mom, Tokes with Stacy's Mom, and we're cooking s'mores, infusing them. And right now she's melting the chocolate.
This is a fun job.
Yes, please try not to curse, Mom. We're going to be on the YouTube channel and try not to curse, and it's going to be hard, all right?
Sure
Because she
will.
curses all the time.
Yeah, we will.
All right, right now we're melting chocolate.
Hooray, hooray. That's what we're doing.
We're melting chocolate.
What about chocolate for?
We are making s'mores, which we have the infused graham cracker crust bottoms already. So we're ready there. That's got to go in the oven. That's set to 350. And then how long does that go for?
It goes, we're going to put it in the oven in 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
That's what it says, just so the
That's it,
marshmallows
just 5
really
You
can.
have your infused oil.
I'm
Yeah.
smoking Cinderella 99.
What
Okay.
strain did you use inside of these s'mores?
So we infused
Blueberry head.
with this awesome virgin coconut oil. We got bougie, okay? My stepmom, shout out to Barb, gave us that. And because we usually do the dollar store one, everybody
No,
can
I
go to the
don't.
dollar store and get one for $1.25.
I don't.
Maybe you don't, but I do. It works the same.
I went to Walmart. $10.
So it made this beautiful liquid gold
Look at this, Justin.
right here. And the strain that we used was, what did we use? Blueberry headband.
Blueberry headband.
Yes, we used a quarter of blueberry headband
Mm-hmm.
and 2 cups of coconut oil. All right.
Yep.
Mama is whipping up the chocolate.
Not on this one. There, look at that. We have some chocolate chips. Some chocolate.
Okay.
Okay, so Tokes with Stacy's mom making these s'mores that I got in Vegas. I'm trying to mock the same thing
Excuse me.
that we got in Vegas. The s'mores, the edibles in Vegas is like nothing in this world. They are way better than, I'm from the East Coast. I'm from Maryland, and our edibles are near. So we got to make our own.
Yeah, didn't you say they had like all kinds of different things that we can get? They can get there that we can't get here, right?
They can have brownies and all kind of cakes and stuff that they can get there. We don't have that here to buy yet. But maybe in July, when it becomes legal for every recreational, we will. So something to look forward to.
We're live with Kathy and Regis.
She's putting the chocolate into the graham cracker.
Hey. I'm not going to run out of chocolate because I got plenty more where that came from.
Let's see, let's get a close-up of this here. At the bottom is your graham cracker crust, which definitely has the keef hash in it.
Yes, we put the whole keef in the bottom. Okay, so now we're adding the marshmallows. That looks so good.
Same thing. I can't wait to
Cannot
taste
wait.
one.
Me either.
That's what I'm waiting on.
Did you smoke here?
5 minutes. No, I don't want none. I got this.
You got
I don't
that?
know
You're
what this-
waiting?
I have no idea what this is going to do.
Okay. Me neither.
It might do something. It might be a miss. I don't really know.
Well, I think it's going to be delicious. It looks great.
I ain't worried about the
We used
delicious
how much?
part.
We used 2 tablespoons of cannabis oil.
Yes. Yes.
Used with coconut oil.
Yeah.
And 2/8. So now we put everything in the oven, and we have 5 minutes to wait. Then it has to go in the refrigerator for how long?
Probably about 5-10 minutes, something like that. Not a lot.
5-10 minutes, and then we are gonna get a taste.
Yeah, but I want to
Live
know where to put
reaction.
the extras because I got
Let's see.
2. I got a container for me.
Wow, they look great. Next step is to put it in the freezer, and we'll see what's up. Okay, so we're done, and it looks like the perfect bite. I think we recreated the Vegas s'mores that I had, and I want to taste it. All right,
Yeah.
Mom?
Good.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Good.
My God, it's so good. Toast with Stacy's mom. Look at them s'mores. It's all infused with cannabis oil, coconut oil, and blueberry headband. Oh my God. I don't want to eat the whole thing on camera. I got weed in his hand, edible in his hand. Thanks for watching Tokes with Stacy tonight.
I appreciate it. See y'all.